everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you want to create stunning AI images straight from your phone using Google Gemini, in this video I'll show you how to use the Gemini mobile app to generate images step by step. So let's go. First, go to the Google Play Store and install the Gemini app. It is previously part of the Google app. Once installed, open the app and log in with your Google account. Now tap the chat box at the bottom and type a creative image prompt. For example, generate an image of a magical fox in a snowy forest. Tap the send button. Gemini will now take a few seconds to process and it will generate image based on your prompt. Tap on it to see a full preview. To save an image, just tap the download icon at the top right. You can now use it in your projects, social media, or creative work. Right now, Gemini's image tool may not generate realistic people or celebrities, but it's great for landscapes, animals, objects, art styles, and abstract ideas. If you want better results, try detailed prompts. Let me go with something like a futuristic city under purple skies in cyberpunk style. The more descriptive your prompt gets, the more accurate is your image. And that's how to generate AI images with the Gemini mobile app in just a few taps. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.